Jenny is celebrating her 12th birthday. This toy shop window displays a splendid array of toys. All the toys are eager to capture the love of children. They long to be seen, chosen, and cared for, regardless of how they look.
Suki, I wish you smooth sailing on your new journey. I wish I could meet someone who would enjoy my company.
I wish I had a real friend who could truly see me.
Who am I? I'm what you would call an angel. I'm here to ensure that not a single wish from a pure soul goes ignored. May this light guide you to the friend you seek.
This is our new classmate, Leon.
Hello, I'm Leon. Let's be friends.
Where's he from?
He looks shy.
Leon, you may sit next to Jenny. I'm sure she'll help you breeze through the adaptation period.
Welcome to our school, Leon.
Today, we're going to talk about extreme sports. When players face challenges, their adrenaline drives them to become better than what they...
That math test was a walk in the park, wasn't it?
But we're at school, not a park.
It is an idiom. He's confident that he could get a good score in the maths test.
Leon obviously comes from another culture. Can you tell us more about your culture, Leon?
In our culture, it's all about spreading good vibes and making everyone's day a little brighter.
That's inspiring. We have much to learn from such a generous spirit. Leon, this is our library, where you'll find a treasure trove of books that I'm sure will enrich your knowledge of our world.
Reading equips us with knowledge and leads us to a world of ideas and wisdom. Through reading various books, Leon not only acquired a wealth of knowledge, but also broke down the communication barriers with his classmates. As time goes by, other classmates begin to appreciate Leon's talent. They invite him to play, have lunch, and study together. Friendship is built among the children. The children have been practicing for the upcoming annual sports day.
Keep going, Leon! You can make it!
We've got your back, Leon!
Leon, you did an amazing job. We're so proud of you.
Yeah, you went above and beyond what we'd expected.
You're awesome, Leon. We gave it all as a team, and that's what matters most.
Teamwork makes the dream work. The children placed greater importance on teamwork and friendship than the outcome of the relay. I deeply appreciate this spirit. Friends should stick together through thick and thin. Let's work hand in hand to fill the world with love, joy, and peace.